In this video, I'm going to show you how to put tick mark in PDF XChange Editor. Now, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this, but I'm going to show you the one that I think is actually the best. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Home tab up top, and then over here where you can see it says Stamp, you want to click on this Stamp title over here with the arrow down. And then from here, as you can see, there's really no check marks or tick marks in here yet, but we're going to change this right now. So you want to go to Stamps Palette down here at the bottom, and then from here, you want to click on Add New and click on Get More. What this will do here, it's going to basically open up their official website over here. Let me pull up. There we go. And as you can see here on their official website, if you scroll down, there's a bunch of different stamp collections that you can get from their website. And then one over here is checks and marks. And this is the one we're going to be installing right now. So here it says checks and marks.zip. You simply want to click on this and it's going to download onto your computer. And now from here, let me show you how to actually install these. So all you have to do is the following. You want to open up your downloads folder, wherever you of course have this, and you'll be able to see here, let me pull this up, there we go. I now have the checks and marks here. So you want to right click and you want to click on extract all. And then here you want to click on extract again, and this will open up here a new folder which doesn't have a check mark or a zipper anymore on there. So you want to open up this folder. In here you have two things. The first one is a readme and the second one is checks and marks. If you open this up, you'll see that in here there's a bunch of different check marks you'll be able to use in just a few seconds. So let me actually show you how. You want to open up the readme document here, and inside the readme document you want to copy this. Here it says enter, and you want to copy this over here. So just copy that. There we go. Copy, right click copy or whatever, and then you can close this down, go down here to the bottom inside your search box on your Windows, paste it in here, and then it's going to open up a folder. Click on this folder, and then in here is where you actually have to drag and drop this checks and marks.pdf. So just drag and drop this in here. There we go. Make sure it's in here. Double check. There we go. It's in here. You can then close this down. And now comes the most important part. You actually have to close down and then restart your PDF XChange Editor. So close it down like this and then go ahead and open it back up. And when you do that, if I just open up this sample document really quickly here, you can now go into stamps here. And if I click on stamp, so open up the stamp tool and you scroll down, as you can see, there's now a bunch of different check marks you can use. So we have the red ones, the green ones, and then also the black ones. You have a bunch of different ones here and you can select whichever one you want. These are the ticks, for example. Click on it and then you can basically just use them. Click here in your PDF document and those ticks will be put in place. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.